Hello, amazing friends.
Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast, our warm and friendly community. I am Sara.
And I am Jack.
Okay, Jack, no time to waste. Let's jump in. I have a challenge for you.
I love challenges. Bring it on.
If you could describe your personality in just one word, what would it be?
Just one word? That is tough. I think I would say laid back.
Laid back. That is such a good word. Can you explain what that means for our friends listening?
Sure. Laid back means relaxed. It means I don't get stressed easily. I go with the flow. I am calm and easygoing.
That is very true. Sometimes you are too laid back. You almost forgot to bring the microphone today.
But I remembered. That's the important part. What about you, Sara? One word.
I would say organized. I love making lists, planning my week, and keeping things tidy.
We really are opposites. Okay, let's break personality down into categories. The first category is energy. How do we interact with people?
This is the classic battle, introvert versus extrovert. I am definitely an introvert.
Introvert. That sounds like a scientific word. What does it actually mean?
An introvert is a person who gets energy from being alone. I like reading books, quiet evenings, and having deep conversations with just one friend. Big crowds make me feel tired.
And I am a total extrovert. An extrovert gets energy from other people. I love parties. I love talking to strangers. I love noise. If I'm alone for too long, I feel bored and sad. I need people.
So extroverts look outward, introverts look inward. Jack, you are also very outgoing.
Yes, outgoing means friendly and socially confident. I am not afraid to introduce myself to new people. But Sara, you are a little bit shy sometimes, right?
It's true. Shy means feeling nervous or timid around people, especially strangers. But honestly, once I know someone, I'm not shy anymore. I'm just reserved.
Reserved. That is a fancy word. It means you don't show your feelings or thoughts immediately. You keep them to yourself. You're like a closed book until someone opens you.
Exactly. So Jack is the life of the party. That's an idiom. And I'm more of a wallflower.
Wallflower. I love that image. A flower growing on the wall. It describes someone who stands at the side of the party and watches, but doesn't dance.
That is definitely me. Okay, let's talk about work and habits. This is where our personalities really clash.
Oh boy, yes. Sara, you are extremely ambitious.
Ambitious. Can you define that?
It means you have a strong desire to succeed. You want to be the best. You work very hard to reach your big goals. You want to climb the mountain.
I admit it, I'm ambitious. And I'm also reliable. Reliable means people can trust you. If I say I will be there at 5 p.m., I'm there at 4:55. You can count on me.
That is true. You are like a Swiss watch. I'm creative.
You are creative. You have amazing ideas. But Jack, be honest, sometimes you are a little bit unreliable.
Ouch, that hurts. But okay, maybe a little bit. Sometimes I forget things. I'm a bit forgetful.
Forgetful. That means you don't remember things easily. Jack forgets his keys, his wallet, his phone. He even forgot my birthday once.
It was only one time, and I bought you a giant cake the next day to apologize. But Sara, you have a negative trait too. You can be a perfectionist.
Perfectionist. That implies I want everything to be perfect, with zero mistakes. Is that really bad?
It can be bad if it makes you stressed. Sometimes good is enough. It doesn't have to be perfect. Also, you are very stubborn.
Stubborn. That's a strong word. Tell the listeners what it means.
Stubborn means you never change your mind. Even if you're wrong, you keep arguing. You refuse to change.
I am not stubborn. I just have strong opinions. Well, if I'm stubborn, you are messy.
Messy. That means untidy, disorganized. Okay, my desk is messy. My car is messy. It looks like a bomb exploded in my room. But I call it organized chaos.
I call it a disaster. I'm neat and tidy. Neat means clean and organized. Everything has a specific place.
So we have reliable versus unreliable, neat versus messy, stubborn versus laid back. We really are opposites. But they say opposites attract, right?
I guess so. Now let's talk about feelings and emotions. How do we handle life?
I think I'm a very optimistic person. Optimistic means I always expect good things to happen. I see the glass as half full. I smile a lot.
That is a wonderful quality. I'm more of a realist. A realist accepts the situation as it is. Not good, not bad, just real. But sometimes people call me pessimistic.
Pessimistic means you always think bad things will happen. Oh no, it will rain. Oh no, we will miss the bus. Oh no, the food will be cold.
I'm just being prepared for the worst. Jack, you are also very sensitive sometimes.
Sensitive. This is a tricky word. It can mean two things. It can mean I get hurt easily, which is bad, or it can mean I understand other people's feelings, which is good. I think I'm the good kind. I'm empathetic.
Empathetic. That is a high-level word. It means you can feel what other people feel. If I'm sad, you feel sad too. You understand my heart.
Yes, but Sarah, you can be a bit moody.
Moody. That means my feelings change quickly. One minute I'm happy, the next minute I'm annoyed or sad. Okay, maybe in the morning before I have my coffee.
Before coffee, Sarah is scary. She's grumpy. Grumpy means bad-tempered or easily annoyed, like a bear who woke up too early.
Okay, enough about my bad side. Let's talk about how we treat other people. I think we're both honest.
Honest. This is super important. It means we tell the truth. We don't tell lies. We're sincere.
And we're both generous. Generous means we like to give things to others. Time, money, or help. We like sharing.
What is the opposite of generous?
Stingy or selfish. Selfish means you only care about yourself. Me, me, me. Stingy means you hate spending money. You never pay for lunch.
I know some stingy people. It's not an attractive personality trait. Another good word is polite. Polite means having good manners, saying please and thank you, opening doors for people.
The opposite is rude or impolite. Jack, remember that waiter yesterday? He was very rude.
Yes, he was arrogant. Arrogant means you think you're better than everyone else. You're too proud. I'm the smartest person here. Everyone else is stupid. That's arrogance.
The opposite is humble or modest. Humble means you don't brag about your achievements. Even if you're great, you act normal.
I like humble people. They're easy to be around.
Okay, we have covered so many adjectives. Optimistic, pessimistic, sensitive, moody, honest, selfish, polite, rude, arrogant, humble.
Now it's time for the common mistakes. When students describe personality, they often make these grammar errors. Let's fix them so you sound perfect.
Mistake number 1. I'm a very boring person. Be careful. If you say I'm boring, it means I'm not interesting. Don't talk to me, you will fall asleep.
You probably mean I'm bored, the feeling. But if you're describing personality, maybe you mean I'm calm or I'm quiet. Never tell people you're boring.
Mistake number 2. She has a strong character. In English, character is usually for movies or books. Harry Potter is a character. For people, we usually say personality. She has a strong personality.
Mistake number 3, I have confident. No, we use the verb to be with adjectives. I am confident, or I have confidence, but I am confident is the most natural way.
Mistake number 4. He is very nervous. In many languages, like Spanish or Portuguese, nervous means angry or aggressive. In English, nervous means worried or anxious, like before a test or interview. If someone shouts a lot, they are bad-tempered or aggressive, not nervous.
That is a huge difference. Mistake number 5, she has very sympathetic. This is a false friend in many languages. In English, sympathetic means you feel sorry for someone's problem. It does not mean nice or friendly. If you want to say someone is nice, just say nice, friendly, kind, or likable.
Those are life-saving tips. Now it's time to practice your speaking. We are going to do listen and repeat.
We will say a sentence describing a personality trait. We'll pause, you say it out loud. Try to copy our intonation.
Ready? Sentence number 1. I'm a very outgoing person.
Sentence number 2, she's reliable and hardworking.
Sentence number 3. He can be a bit stubborn sometimes. He can be a bit stubborn sometimes.
Sentence number 4, I consider myself an introvert.
Sentence number 5. My boss is very ambitious.
Sentence number 6, don't be so pessimistic.
Sentence number 7. He is really down to earth. Down to earth means practical, humble, and real. He is really down to earth.
Sentence number 8, she wears her heart on her sleeve. Idiom, she shows her emotions openly.
Excellent job! You're sounding very natural. Now let's do the mega quiz. I will describe a person and you have to guess the adjective.
Question 1. Tom loves talking to people. He makes friends easily. He's never shy. Is he reserved or outgoing? He's outgoing.
Question 2. Mary never smiles. She gets angry if you speak to her in the morning. Is she grumpy or cheerful? She is grumpy.
Question 3. John always says please and thank you. He opens doors for people. Is he rude or polite? He's polite.
Question 4. Sara wants to be the CEO of the company. She works 12 hours a day. Is she lazy or ambitious? She is ambitious.
Question 5. Mike promised to help me move house yesterday, but he didn't show up. Is he reliable or unreliable? He's unreliable.
Question 6. Lisa thinks she's the most beautiful and smart girl in the world. Is she humble or arrogant? She is arrogant.
Question 7. David creates amazing paintings and writes songs. Is he creative or messy? He's creative. He might be messy too, but creative is the best answer.
Wow, 7 out of 7? You are a personality expert.
But hey, if you made some mistakes, please don't worry at all. It is completely natural.
Exactly. English has so many words for personality. You learn by practicing.
You can watch this video again tomorrow. Repetition is the mother of learning.
Now, we want to know about you.
Are you an introvert or extrovert, and why?
For example, I'm an introvert because I love quiet time and reading books.
Or I'm an extrovert because I love meeting new people and going to parties.
Write your answer in the comments below.
We really want to know our community better.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We hope you feel more confident describing yourself now.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your introvert or extrovert friends.
Have a wonderful day and be proud of your unique personality.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.